I went to Vanuatu from July 2024 to September 2024. Jesus said, if you were blind, you would not be guilty of sin. But now you claim that you can see. You have sinned. Vanuatu claims to be a Christian country. But if you claim that you can see, but you still tolerate sin, it means your guilt remains on you. People point middle finger at me in Vanuatu. These people say to me, it is bad for you that you are not a black man and you do not speak our tribal language. And the Rod of Iron Church tried to set up in Vanuatu. We paid the fees to the government and they did not reply back. So they took the fees and gave us no answer. So I say to my companions, this is what the Lord says. God will strike Vanuatu with a natural disaster like an earthquake. Just as Jesus cursed the fig tree, only his disciples around him heard it. Those who did not follow Jesus, they never hear it. They heard what I said about this coming earthquake.
This is the moment when a deadly earthquake shook Port Vila, the capital city of Vanuatu.
At Port Vila Hospital in the island's capital, a mammoth effort to get the injured to help. Drivers manoeuvre around cracks along the road.
So this is what the Lord says. After this earthquake, even though you rebuild your nation, the Lord will send another disaster.